Thank you, Amy. Your all this process, I've never missed any of the communication class, and this really helps me a lot. I improved my communication with my manager. Earlier, it was in a different way. I couldn't able to drive the last conclusion, but now it is much easier. I can focus my target specifically to the point. So that is improved, and that is also one of the feedback I got. I'm very hesitant to get connected with other department on a different level apart from the projects. It is helping me to also get connecting with the people to improve my circle and the office environment as well.
I had a chance to speak in our big team huddle this time. So I tried using the prep method and it really helped me. Like I was speaking for two times now in the huddle. So from my previous experience to this experience, just in like 2 weeks, it was remarkable. In fact, my line manager has said that yes, you have done well as compared to your last session.
What is it that you did which you were not doing earlier?
The number one thing for me was the speed. My speaking speed was very high. Maybe I was not confident enough, or maybe I was thinking too much. But now I watch when I speak.
What I've really come to understand is I get nervous, and when that happens, I tend to not complete my sentences. And that is something I've come to realize from these recordings where I just speak and then I just, complete the sentence in my mind, but it's not actually coming out. And then there are too many grammatical errors that come from there and all of that. In my mind, I think that I'm giving out a good speech, but then at the end of it, I realize that half the sentences are eaten up. So that is something I have not completely sorted just yet. But with the help of these recordings, I'm able to at least pinpoint all the mistakes that I'm doing. And at least I've realized that rushing at completing all the mistakes in the next video is not going to happen.
See, I have mentioned this n number of times that communication is a skill. You know the language, you don't know the language. You come from English medium, you don't come from English medium. It can be developed.